To apply the bent knee or distal hamstring stretch, we will lay on our back with our bent knee directly over our hip. Rope will go around the arch of the foot, and we will straighten the knee from there, keeping the knee ideally over top of the hip. You can use your hand on the knee to prevent the knee from drifting up toward the shoulder. Straighten the leg, hold for 2 seconds, return all the way to neutral. Repeat for 8 to 10 repetitions. If you are unable to straighten the knee at this level, then you can drop the knee a little closer down toward the foot and see if you can straighten it there, and you can start there and work your way back up. But ideally, we want the knee to be directly over top of the hip. After 8 to 10 repetitions going straight up, we can wrap the rope around the outside of the leg to help keep the foot turned out. So the rope wraps around the outside of the leg to keep the foot turned out, and we'll straighten the knee with the foot turned out. This will help us stretch the attachments, the hamstring attachments on the inside of the knee, more specifically. Try to breathe out on the stretch. Reach into the stretch, extend the knee, use the rope to apply the stretch for overpressure, hold for 2 seconds, and return all the way to neutral. After 8 to 10 repetitions with the foot turned out, we can then wrap the rope around the inside of the lower leg to help keep the foot turned in. Again, the rope is wrapping around the inside of the lower leg to keep the foot turned in. And now we'll apply the same stretch, straightening the knee, reaching the foot toward the ceiling, using the rope to help apply overpressure and pull ourselves into the stretch. Hold for 2 seconds, return all the way to neutral, and repeat 8 to 10 times at this angle. After 8 to 10 repetitions in all 3 angles, we can switch sides. We'll start with the foot facing straight ahead first, or the toes facing straight ahead first, and we'll straighten the knee to reach into the stretch. Use the rope to help pull yourself into overpressure and apply a stretch. Hold for 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, return all the way back to neutral, and apply 8 to 10 repetitions at this straightforward angle. After 8 to 10 repetitions, we can wrap the rope around the outside of the leg to keep the foot turned out, and do the same thing. Straighten the knee, use the rope to help apply the stretch, hold for 2 seconds, return all the way to a neutral position, and apply 8 to 10 repetitions at this foot turned out angle. We should feel all of these close to the back of the knee, maybe a little higher and a little lower into the calf, depending on where our tension patterns are. After 8 to 10 repetitions with the foot turned out, we can wrap the rope around the inside of the leg and turn the foot in. Reach into the stretch, use the rope for overpressure, hold for 2 seconds, return all the way to neutral, and apply 8 to 10 repetitions at this angle.